guys? It's Catfish. Back with another video. And on today's video, I'm in Wheeling, I think, at Cafe Mirage for a little impromptu car show, man. And I'm gonna let you guys see the restaurant that we at. Then this is the Cafe Mirage right here. That's a Ukrainian restaurant. Yeah. So yeah, guys, we here for a little impromptu car meet. Then they're gonna have a little drive after that, but I'm not going on the drive. Folks firing up stuff around here. Got a Benz right there. Yeah, it's a lot of stuff going on. Nice Benz, GLE 53 AMG. Got another Benz right here. All these folks firing up their cars. Got old girl right there. Got another Benz right there. It's a lot of nice cars out here. The thing is loud, man. Seen this car on one of my other videos. He was trying to sell it. Yes, sir. That BMW with the guts. There's a lot of cars, nice cars out here, man. Got this BMW with the, that's paint, guys. This is paint. It's not a wrap. It's actually matte paint from BMW. It's paint. Y'all see it? It's not a wrap. Another BMW. It's a lot of BMW. It's mostly all BMWs out here, guys. A couple of Benzes, all BMWs and Porsches. Yeah. This blue is nice too. Got a little Volkswagen GTI. They nice. It's a nice BMW. The color. Oh, look at it. Look at the interior, man.
What's up, Sammy?
Hey, Pat, how are you?
Y'all see that interior?
Good.
That's crazy, man. Orange interior in this bitch. Yep. A lot of it's mostly all BMWs. Got a McLaren. It's nice too. Red guts. She got this thing right here, man. Tribute to Young Dolph, man. I ain't never seen a BMW camo before. The thing is nasty, man. I love it. Yeah, follow this guy right there. Beautiful. I mean, beautiful. I love the camo. Never seen a BMW camo before. Info competition. That's his Instagram right there. Beautiful, man. I love it. Never seen one camo before. Got another Porsche over here. GTS, nice blue. Got another one right here. We got this guy right here.
What's up?
Go and tell him what's up, man.
How's it going?
Tell him who you are, where you work at.
My name's Peter of Chicago Motor Cars. We got cars like these for sale. So, yeah, got 3 stores: West Chicago, Naperville, and South Carolina, out of all places. So, yeah, we got some cool cars for sale.
Yep. Hey guys, you know, I went down to the other store. They showed me Number Love. I filmed in there, so you know how that goes. But yeah, that's my buddy right there. But we got this Porsche right here. Ew, this thing nasty. It's a track car. Okay. Check this out, man. It's a track car. Y'all see this? Look at this. Look at this. Got the belts, roll cage, 6-speed manual. Suede headliner. Y'all see the carbon fiber in the seats? The carbon fiber, the back of the seat is carbon fiber. This thing nasty, guys. GT3 track car. Look at the big wing on the back. Yes, sir. GT3. Then you got another GT3 right here next to it. Motorsport Life Club. That's who's sponsoring the show. The little impromptu breakfast thing today. This thing nasty too. And it's a manual also. Oh my goodness. This thing, both of these are bad. Golly. Let me pan back to let y'all see them. Two of them. Side by side, yeah. They had a little impromptu breakfast meet this morning. Got a 911 Turbo S right here. Yes, sir. Beautiful color, that green. Nice car. Beautiful. Oh, we got the contrasting seats. Y'all see it? Yes, sir. Beautiful car. We're going to walk around here. There's some more cars. There's actually some more cars over here. Another BMW. Tesla. Taycan. See all kinds of cars out here. Yeah, this is a Taycan, guys. Beautiful. That blue is pretty. Got another Porsche. Another blue Porsche. And guys, we right by the airport, so check that out. We right by O'Hare Airport, so look at that. See them planes flying in? Yes, sir. This blue is so pretty on this BMW. But guys, I want to show you a car that I didn't even know existed until today. Got the little wing on the back, on the top. Nice. I'm finna walk over here. Hey guys, I'm finna walk over here. I'm gonna show you a car that this young man owns. I don't know where he is right now, but he showed me his car, and I had never seen one of these before. Yeah, till today. And like I say, you learn something new every day. Check this out. This is a 2001 Audi S4. But guys, it's twin turboed and it's a 6-speed manual. I had never seen an Audi before with a 6-speed manual. Let me see, did he lock it? No, it's open. Look. Look. 6-speed manual, guys. Had never seen one before. Didn't even know they existed. Now that's crazy. You learn something new every day. Yes, an S4 Audi twin turbo. See, S4, and it's a manual. I had never seen a manual Audi before. Nice little car, nice young man too. That's a nice little car, little starter car you got. Got a Benz right there, another BMW. And then my favorite Grand Cherokee of all times. This one right here. With the pipes in the middle. Yes, sir. That's my favorite one. Out of all of them right there. Got another BMW right there. Another one over here. It should have said it was a BMW meet, guys. But it's okay. But yeah. All right, guys, I'll get back with you guys in a second. Hey, guys, we back, and the owner of the Taycan gonna let us climb up in it. Y'all see it? Y'all saw it earlier. Look at this. Oh, my God. Oh, he got the full glass roof. Are you kidding me? And, guys, it smells so good in here. Look at that. Look at the big screen. You got that screen there and that screen there. Man, this is nasty, boy. I like this, but the color got me, though. That blue is so beautiful. Got the aftermarket wheels on it. Y'all see the Porsche Taycan? Man, guys, this car is beautiful. And it's fast, too. Not only beautiful, but it's fast. All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a minute. Hey, guys, we back. Check this out. Look at this pretty young lady. Look what she driving, guys. Come on. Look what she driving. Look what she driving. Always got to put on for my ladies. And she debadged it, too. See? It's debadged. It's beautiful. Man, the thing is nice, guys. Tell my subscribers your name.
My name is Biana.
Okay, look at her, guys. She clowning. Look what she driving.
Look at me.
Huh?
Look at me. Just kidding. Don't look at me.
Look at her. She gorgeous too, and she got a nice car. All right, I get back with you guys in a second. Guys, we back. Look what just pulled in. Are you kidding me? Ooh, come on, man. Wow, that's crazy. Look at this Panamera Turbo. Yes, sir. That is nice, boy. Porsche Panamera Turbo. That's nice, boy. Love these cars. Y'all know my doctor has one of these. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I'll get back with you in a second. Hey, guys, we back. It's another M3, a Porsche right there. It's a lot of cars, man. Let me see. Y'all remember this guy right here from the Tuna Galleria with that badass Mercedes. And he got rid of it, guys. Well, look what he got now, though. Oh, my goodness. Ooh, this. Oh, yeah. Well, he gonna let that go. It's all right. Look at this. Ooh.
Oh, it's got everything I need.
This nasty, boy. Look at the wheels. I love it because it's a Targa. Look at Tony clowning. I love it. It's nasty, guys. Look at this.
It's got potential too. I can grow with the linear lock there. Hold on.
Oh, yes, sir. Yeah, I see it. Yes, sir. This is
2015,
nice.
13,000 miles.
Oh, yeah. He always gonna keep him a car, guys.
There's nothing.
Hey, he always gonna keep him a car.
Can't get away from it.
He told me the story of why he had to get rid of his other car, which I will not divulge. But the comeback was a monster. I love it.
And everything gets stuck in traffic.
Yes, sir. That is beautiful. All right, guys. That's gonna end this edition of Catfish Corner. Like I said, we at the restaurant had a little impromptu breakfast meet. So yeah, guys, that's gonna end this edition of Catfish Corner. And just like that, this video is over. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah, I'm ready. I've got to find Nish.